to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Gladys here. I'm super duper excited for this video. Today we are touring my whole house for Christmas. Guys, you guys have been tuning in for my decorate with me, my living room, my upstairs and more. Today we are touring the whole house. The Christmas tree is all decked. Everything is all light up here and I'm super duper excited. We are going to tour upstairs. The family room downstairs is going to be magical. Stay tuned, guys. Let's do it. So I really wanted this place to feel very romantic, whimsical, simple. So I decided to go ahead and add a bunch of candles on the table. I literally feel like it just looks so romantic, so inviting, and mostly it feels like Christmas and so cozy. And that's the simplicity on this table right here, and that is our dining room table that we have room for upstairs, since we don't have any space for dining room table downstairs. Now here, the fire is blazing. It's just like, I have one up downstairs, as you guys seen. The one upstairs is really big. I love it because right here the floor is, you know, really much. I mean, the wall is much bigger than down there, and then I love the simplicity of the black with glass. It just looks so clean. It's super my style. The candle right here, I wanted to add. My kids wanted to feel like very Christmassy, so I added a red candle that I got from Michael's last year. Actually, my bowl. I love this bowl, guys. Look at this. Look at this. It's just very like sculptural. I love that. I got this from Ross. I know it's not Christmas, but I just love this, the way it's shaded in and everything like that. And to keep it very simple here, just added some of the same greens that I added downstairs, just added it right here, and it just looks super pretty. Now let's go to the Christmas tree and the gifts. For those who are not familiar with this Christmas tree, it was actually Christmas tree last year, and it was downstairs. If I can find a video, I'm gonna place how it looked like downstairs. It just looks so magical. This is what I tell you guys about in my videos, that you can take things from upstairs, bring it downstairs, from one room to the other. And this is how it looks like last year, and now this is what it's looking like this year. I decided to close actually one what is it called, drape right here, so you can see how it brightened. Like I mentioned, I will give you guys a night view, not a night view, like an evening view, so that you can see how all the lights are brightened and how it looks super pretty. I just love this. I have 3 of that, so I decided to put 2 right here so that it doesn't become too busy. Now down there, I just my Christmas gifts that I already, those are not fake gifts, they're real gifts that I already tied up, and everyone has their names on them, and I'm super excited for people to come over for Christmas this year. We're in my entryway, guys. It's not very big, so I just wanted to keep everything very simple here. Just added some greenery with my nativity scene and my threshold candle, which smells super good. I love this candle. Also, to bring the little whimsical effect, I added some of my wrapped Christmas gift on the table, and I think it turned out really pretty and I love it. Also turn my light on here to bring the atmosphere, and yeah, this is my entryway. Let's head out to the living room, guys. are in the living room right now, and it's exactly how I want it to look like. I love everything. Now let's start with this fireplace and the mantle right here. On the mantle right here, I have my simple and beautiful IKEA. I mean, those are not IKEA, sorry. They're from H&M Homes. Christmas trees. I love the simplicity of them, the big and the small one. I think this is my second year using it, so I have started using everything that I actually have here. And then my beaded, what is it called? My beads that I placed on the garland right here. I love how that looks like. It just brought the little whimsical effect. It's just simple and pretty, and I love that. And oh my God, guys, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with these. I think I will use this every year. Literally, it has the neutral colors that I love, but they're not all plain white. They have some colors in them, but from the brown to the khaki, I love it. There's so much more to see. Let's go on the tree, guys. Let's see it. Guys, the Christmas tree is not perfect, and it's exactly how I want it to be. And I'm gonna give you guys a little of a nighttime visual look, but it's exactly how I want it to be. It was decorated by me and my kids, and I love it because the kids were able to put their spin in it. So you will see that everything is not exactly where it's supposed to be, because there are some things that are not perfect, but I love them, and the kids just had so much fun on them. I love the colors that I chose. The, what is it called? Jewel tone colors, the green with the brown, added with some cream white, and then the shiny ones. Let me show you guys. The shiny ones right here, when the light hits it, it's so pretty, which you're going to get to see it when I do a little close-up right here. But I love that when the light goes through it. So I do it on purpose, and I make sure that the light touches it, and it just looks super pretty. Now underneath it, guys, if you didn't see my first video decor with me, I used a box that I placed underneath it, and believe it or not, it's still standing strong. So I have a box underneath it, and then I placed the Christmas tree on top of it to make it look like, God knows, 9 feet tall, because my roof is like 9 feet tall, to make it look this tall. But it's literally actually a 7.5 feet Christmas tree. But I love it. If you've seen my decor with me, you will see where I got these. These are from Amazon. I have everything linked, and I'm going to try to put the video right here or in the description below, so you can go and see how I decorated here. But I love these. They look, I love the green color of them. They look really realistic. But my favorite part on this whole table is literally my fire pit. I love this. When it gets cold here, we have this on. Guys, I have not turned my fireplace on. But I love, because it's literally chilly outside. I love lighting this up with the candle. It just feels so cozy in here. I love the simplicity of this table. So I literally love lighting up candles in my house. I love the ambience that it brings. We're supposed to cut this, trim it actually, but since we're filming, we're not gonna do that. I love what it brings, the atmospheres that it brings into the house. When it's dark over here, I go ahead and I okay, it's working. I was saying, when it's dark here, I love lighting up all the candles. I mean, look at this. It just brings out the mood, the Christmas mood, which I love it. So what I did on this table, literally just use a simple candle with my candle holder. If you see my candle holder, it is jacked up with all the candles, but I love it because it makes it feel like we live here, you know what I mean? It makes it feel very vintage, and I love that black and white kind of pedestal that it's on actually. And then what I did here, I took one of my, what is it called? Jingle bells out of its family that is upstairs, and I tied a green bow right here, and I just placed it on my table, and I just love the simplicity of this area. It's one of my favorite actually. If you don't have lamps in your house, go and run and grab some lamps. Grab some lamps and bring it into your house. Lamps brings the the mood in the house. I have no overhead light, and my lamp is bright in this place, but it's not the crisp white, it's the warm color. So you want to grab a warm light bulb, and I love it, guys. I don't know, I'm keep using the word love, but I love it. I love the simplicity. I love the fact that it's bringing the warmth in the house. Love it. Sorry, there's a piece of Cavesa right here. And guys, the simplicity of this place right there, this candle smells so good. Oh my god. And this is actually from Ross. It's not light up yet, that's why I'm able to pick it up. And went with the simple Christmas tree, added some garland right here, and I just love the simplicity of everything looks over here. Just I'm obsessed. Love, 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 love. Love this candle. I love the color. I just love the ambience that it brings. And this was from H&M Home as well, and I just love it. Now I wanted to literally bring some mood over here, so I replaced my batteries that were dead for months and months, replaced them, and then added my beautiful garland. If you haven't seen how I decorated this place, you can go and check it out. But I replaced I placed the garland here, and I just literally placed some pine cones on here that I grabbed in full of, and just placed one right here and some right there. And guess who we have in the house? We have what is it called? Elf. Obviously we can't touch him, but the elf on the shelf is here in the house visiting, and he's hiding over there for today. He has been hidden everywhere in the house. Today, this is where we found him when we woke up in the morning. But yeah, let's continue touring. Thank you so much for watching the video. I appreciate you guys.